Hey guys, welcome back to Keeping Up with China. Today we're back with another video. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to be styling my hair. Ouch. I just hit my beads with my teeth. Anyways guys, whatever. Yeah, you guys, don't mind my big pimple. I previously did a video of me installing these cornrows. I say cornrows, quarry shells, whatever you want to call it. I'll leave the link down below. I'm not sure which video is gonna go up first, but whichever video goes up first, you will eventually see how I put these shells in my locks. So today I'm gonna just do like one or two styles with my hair. I'm not really sure what I'm going for yet, and sorry for me whispering. It's almost 4 o'clock in the morning, and my boyfriend's sleeping, so I don't want to wake him up. But anyways, I'm going to start off with oiling my hair. I already sprayed it with water. I'm just gonna add some oil to my hair because they've been a little dry. This is just a mixture of my mom's oils. She has a mixture of a lot of oils that she uses, so I always just use it because her oils are for like hair growth and stuff like that, and I mean, why not? I know I have locks and stuff, but okay. So my hair is kind of moisturized now, so alright. So for this tutorial, what you're gonna be using is some bobby pins, and also maybe some rubber bands. I'm not sure yet. Let's see. I'm not sure. So let's see. I'm gonna do like the first style. It's gonna be pretty simple, you guys. The first style, I'm just twisting my hair. I did this style in one of my videos, and 2 people actually asked me to do a hair tutorial on this, so I'm just like, let me just add it to the list of hairstyles to do. Oh, the rubber band broke. It would be let me use 2 rubber bands at a time. Take this one and do the same thing, just roll it. I'm going to tie it with the rubber band, and then so what we're gonna do, we're gonna get them both. After we're done, we're gonna get them, and we are going to basically tie them up in the back with some rubber bands. guys, this is the first look. You literally just twist the front and there goes the back. And this is really cute. Okay. Guys, so these are the 2-in-1 hairstyle that you can do. You can mix it up, do whatever you want to do, honestly, but this is like, honestly, just go with the flow. Whatever I think looks cute, whatever satisfies me, really. I don't really go for a specific style, I just go with the flow. But this is what I ended up with, you guys. I think it's really cute. I might wear this to work tomorrow, I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, you guys, this is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.